believe it. I can't believe that. Yep, today's my birthday and I'm finally 29 years old. Only one more year left until I'm gonna go in my 30s. Man, this is totally fun. Of course, I have been filming so many elevators since then. I mean, there's a whole lot in Miami. So far, so good. I'm starting to realize it now. Living in Miami could be a little difficult, you know. I'm hoping do not worry. There will be some updates soon, hopefully. Especially those around, you know. Almost. Yeah. I'm looking around me. I'm hoping that I make new Yu-Gi-Oh! Deck profiles someday. Yeah, that's right. Ay. Shoot. I don't know what to think now. There's so canning.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking here. If you want to watch more videos, click either one of them.